Hi.
We made a laboratory. Yes.
What are you playing?
Laboratory. Yes.
Laboratory?
I'm using this for cutting this. Because there's a window.
Where is the wind? Over there in the tree? No. Hi, Jillian. Nagpe-play po sila ng pone. Careful!
Yeah, this is a laboratory.
Careful, mahulog ka. Hawak. Malakas ang hangin. Mag-aouch ang puwit, ha? Careful.
Mommy, nag-inom ng apple.
Go, go, go. Slide. Pahinga muna. Drink muna. Nag-snack na kayo, Kuya Jace? Anong snack nyo? Nova?
Yeah,
Chips?
Whoa.
Careful.
Because the milk of Kuya Jace is the same as mine.
So nakidrink ka na lang kay Kuya Jace. Kuya, baka mahulog ka, ha? You are like Spider-Man hanging in the... Oh. Who built this? Who built this?
And right here. Who built this? Playground.
You?
Who built this playground? What?
Hi. Si Jillian, nag-play sila.
Si Lolo?
Hey, I want the playground.
What?
I also want the playground in our house.
Mami, gusto nyo daw ng playground in our house. Oo nga. Kaso, this is expensive. Di ba?
Yeah, it is expensive.
We can't afford that. We can play na lang pag pupunta kami dito. Di ba, Ate Iya?
Yeah, oh my God. Okay.
Go, go, slide na. Careful. What? Gian is very good in English. I cannot understand the accent.
But I cannot understand even.
You're really good in speaking English.
You don't understand Tagalog?
Mga speaking English ang mga kids.
Bell.
Hirap ano? Ang hirap sagutin din ng English.
Bell.
Oh, ang galing niya, mami, oh. Oh. Ang galing niya mag-balance. Oh, no. Galing ni Gia na. Why Raven is not playing here in the playground?
What?
Why Raven is not playing here?
Right. Yeah, he's eating. Maybe bread. I wanna push. I already mastered how to do it.
Ate, hawak ha. Marami ka ng sugat.
Wait. What did you guys eat? I'm gonna go.
Hawak. Hold tight. Okay. Sulitin ang time kasi uwi na tayo sa Pasko. Christmas afternoon. Uwi na tayo. Balik tayo Manila.
Very strong.
Ah?
The wind is strong.
Yes. Uno! It's okay.
Well, your legs are so strong.
What?
Your legs are so strong.
Yes.
My too. Hey, don't do that.
Okay, tabi dyan. Matatama ka ni Kuya. Ito naman si dancing ano. Dancing cute.
I see a scarecrow from
Lakas ng hangin. Ang ganda ng panahon dito kapon, hindi siya naulan. Ganyan lang po siya.
Ha?
Mahangin at saka malamig. Hi Travis! Maganda dito magkape, mami, oh. Yan, si Kuya Clark galing sa Christmas party nila. Manalo siya na ito. Paano mo to napanalunan?
Kasi po, yung isa pong dalawang lobo, tsaka isa po dito sa isa po. Kasi po yung lola po pagka...
But I saw him steal it.
Nanalo siya, Kuya. Galing niya, masarap to. It's like Nova.
I don't like that.
You don't like that? I like it.
of airplanes. Si tatay po.
Wow. Ha?
Tatay po.
Si Tatay Ram nandiyan sa loob.
Kasi po siya lobo. Nandiyan.
Oh, nanonood ng movie. Si Kuya, ingat. What?
Scarecrows.
Saan ang scarecrows?
Sabi niya ate, go for scarecrows.
Sabi? Ano? Careful! Si Kuya Travis, big boy na. Say hi to our viewers.
Hello.
Ayan, maraming bata dito kapon. Mga magpipinsan sila. Kaya pag napunta kami dito, talagang na-enjoy ni Iya kasi once a year lang. Sa Boronga naman, ang mga kalaro nila mga adult, sila Kuya Akil, si Kuya Ibik, si Tita Ruby. Iba pa rin yung nagbabanding sila ng ganito, pare-pare silang mga bata. Ito maganda rin to, mami, oh.
It goes really fast. Wait, what's out of the you face.
Where's your potion? You're making potion yesterday.
Apple.
Natapon na over there.
Let's go inside the laboratory. Give me tickets. I want to go here. Oh wait, you need to style your hair first. So the guy is there's a pretty. I just want to sit. Oh, that beautiful view. Oh, how was this slide down? This is a TV. Oh. That's the mongoose.
Hawak, Gavin.
Okay.
It's nice. You have a lot of aircraft.
I'm a fan of airplanes. More of them. This is a TV. Must be in here. See, we're shouting for this is a TV. I've got it.
Paus.
ready now. Okay. We did Dragon style. This is easy. Thank you. I'm gonna get them.
What's that sound?
This is never sliding cake. This is the laboratory style. I will get it. Okay, come out. This slide is all down. It's Friday 13. No need to go to the party.
Why?
No. Yeah, moving skeletons. When you dig up so much, you'll see a 13 will catch you.
There's monster on Friday the 13th.
It's really, really far up.
Why?
And just when you dig, keep digging, and keep digging,
Yes. What happened?
the 13 will catch you.
Ha?
The 13 will catch you.
The 13 will catch me.
Everybody.
Ganun pala yun.
So, no need to go to the party on Friday 13. Then, when it's a Friday 13 and the school is fine, and then the teacher's absent, yeah, no need to go.
Bawal daw lumabas ng Friday the 13th.
Yeah, no need that. That's not it. Yeah.
Naipit ka. Na ganun mo yung kamay mo. It's okay.
When they tag us when we're at the floor
Hmm.
with the taya.
Okay. Sige, can you try it?
Because I want to stay here.
Sino ang taya?
Ate Iya! Over here! Ah! See?
Ganun pala yun.
Iya! Look, Nico's here! Ate Iya!
What are you eating, Kuya?
Pancake.
Pancake. It's yummy.
Pancake. I thought you said corn cake. Yeah. Iya. Ate Iya. Ate Iya. Ate Iya. Ate Iya.
Ang lawak ng playground.
Ate Iya.
Gab, careful.
Mabilis si Kuya.
Tito Pon.
Hmm.
I'm almost the same speed as
Kuya Jace?
Jace.
Hmm.
What? You're not faster than me. Yeah. I'm almost faster. Let's race. Yeah. No. No, I just know that I'm gonna...
Yung isa naman nakikisali. Kahit hindi siya marunong. Hindi siya marunong kung ano piniplay nila. +1 daw.
Over here. Just add on here.
One more. Mabilis si Kuya. Ano na Gavin? Dito lang. Ano na Inday, huli ka.
Iya, where your slipper? Iya, come here.
Ang bilis ni Kuya, pang athlete. Pang marathon.
Go! Ayan na si Kuya! Ay. Thank you, sir.
Bakit?
Why? There's a langgam. Why?
Bakit siya
You want
nagkakry?
to race also? Then you run. Just run.
Kasi si ate lang daw ang pinapansin.
Kaya mo din yun.
Gogo, you
do
can
it
run
too.
also.
Don't cry. It's a race.
He fell?
No.
What?
It's making tampo.
What's making tambo? Can I see the video?
Ha?
Can I see the video?
Oh.
Sure.
To see yourself.
No. Not yet.
Ang bilis ni ate. Go, Iya.
Water bottle!